Dear students, welcome to this video. Today we are discussing in this video addition question. Now start this video and solve addition question. Very easy method. Tan plus tan is equal to, think about this. Let's start very easy method and solve this question. Tan plus tan is equal to, before solve this question we draw 10 lines or write 10 times. Then below value is also 10, so we also draw or write 10. After draw the lines or write the number, we add these numbers. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. This is a very easy mathematical method. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20 is the correct answer.